Ayun, so,
Act 1.
so yun o. So nakita ko mga idolo. So, ang oras natin yan is 4:52 ng madaling araw. And we decided to go for a jog. By the way, ito pala ang first vlog ko. Di ako kita kasi dilim pa. At yun sa sa background. So yun. Paumaga pa lang. And nagising ako alas 3 ng umaga.
Di naligo lang. Let's go.
Sino kaya kasi maliligo ng
Bro, sino ang naligo ng ganito ka?
alas ko din lang guys ah. Pakita sa inyo kung environment ng ganito ko. Ano?
Sarap.
Tahimik ng lugar ah. Pwede pesa pala sa amin kagahapon guys.
Oo. Kasi wala naman kami ginawa.
Nag-record ako na boat racing. Dinilig ko kasi ang pangit ng recording ko. Yan ang may dadaan. So may nadaan na sa second guys.
May nadaan ba? Anong oras?
May nadaan guys.
Ito na nga guys, pinalakad lang. Ay, nako.
Akala ko jogging ba tayo naglalakad?
Sino ka?
Joke lang ko yun, joke lang. Pulo pa guys ang mata ko. Okay, masanay ko na wala akong salamin.
Ano?
Kasi yung salamin ko, mawawala.
Ano? Ilan oras ka natulog kagabi?
12:31?
2
Natulog ka pa.
Sabi hindi ka alam nga ako ng 3 eh.
Alam mo yung alam ko kanina yung Levan Sante
Jesus Christ, that's your alarm.
Oh,
Holy shit.
pagkarinig ko pala sigaw na Levan, bago na ganito ko.
Oh my God.
Ang ingay kasi nung alarm ko super.
Well, it worked.
So guys, yung tinutukoy kong alarm is ito.
Levantanse!
Okay, so agka na tayo guys.
So Josh, alam ko wala pa sa bahay. What if?
Anong what if mo ngayon?
What if may asong humabo sa atin ngayon? Tsaka naputulan tayo ng paa.
So wait lang.
Ano, nagalmasad ka?
Coffee milk lang.
Yeah, bro.
Like, nagtimpla ako ng konting coffee. Then, coffee.
Bibili na kasi.
7-Eleven na naman.
No, bro, I'm gonna buy some. Wait lang.
Hindi, magano ka na lang. Ay, dating gawin yung ano.
Okay, ano, I'm just gonna buy this.
What? Hindi, doon ka na sa kilologan ulit. Yung sa matanda.
Oh, yeah, yung sa matanda. Hindi, pero, coffee bibili.
Ay, meron dyan yung tig-5.
Bro, I have 500.
Oo, sulit yung tig-5 dyan. Like, parang ang nagkape din kasi nga kape.
Oh, really?
Ano to? Okay, sabi nila Amy, no?
Yay!
Bibili tayo dyan mamaya, no?
Hi, bro.
Na!
Yeah, bro.
Ay, hindi ko.
May aso.
Aso. Editor breakout. Breakout pa lang, editor. Okay. Ay, kutang. Okay, so after some minor casualties, major casualties. So anong nangyari is isa pang hindi ko siya ma-explain or na-draw ko lang siya sa edit. Like, di ko talaga siya kaya ma-explain. But it's a good thing. Hindi siya nabalian. It is good. Kaya ako na maglakad, pero after the incident, parang ilang minutes bago makarecover.
Like 5.
Parang ganun na 5, no?
Huh?
Parang mga 5 ka.
It's only your head, bro. The pain is in your head. In your head only.
Bugatan ako.
Yeah. Hi, Monty.
Pero good thing, di talaga nabalian.
Want some gum, Josh?
Oy, wag. Pangit lasa ng gum.
Josh, you look so weird. I'm not going to bed. Diaper ng bata. Wala ba yung isla na? Meron. Diaper ng bata.
Okay, next mission, fall up a bridge.
You know the song? Shena River. Shena River.
You guys are retarded.
Bro, don't you have like aura? Don't you have like sixth sense?
I left it at
Ultra
home.
instincts, bro?
I left it at home.
The fuck you did not equip it?
My bad, bro. I left it at home. I didn't think I was needed it. No?
Okay, ano pala?
My bad, King.
Ayun o, gusto nyo makakita yung truck kun? Check-in. Josh, ako nagsasabi sa'yo, wala pang halfway, pagod ka na. Props!
Jogging, yung stamina ko.
Pag nag-jog ka, tapos tumigil ka, nalawa ko pa pagod.
Hindi, promise.
Stop.
Pagka nakita siya dito ka mag-stop, tsaka nyo makaramdaman yung...
O hindi, nung naka na sa'yo ako, wala akong pagod.
Oh, why did you release this?
Probably because you walk.
Paano ka mapapagod?
Yeah, bro.
Lakad lang naman eh.
Josh, do you know how
Like 5 pounds for liters.
Oo, nawalan bigla ako ng 5 pounds na nag-ano ako, tumaya ako.
No, by sitting.
By shitting.
Yeah, I guess walking is full of shit. I guess it's not just water.
What? That's like the worst coming out of your mouth.
Water muscles are called water.
Water me?
Yeah, water.
Water bending ass.
Okay, di na pala sa akin bagay mag-cameraman. Mangangamatay ako.
Holy shit.
Ay nga.
There's someone doing too. There's another thing. There's a big fucking truck ahead.
What are you talking about?
Ay, kailangan ko pala i-blur yung damit ni Josh.
Dumb truck, bro.
Kailangan ko pala, ano? Yun. Rebelente na kukunahan, rebelente. Teka, di ako makatakbo, paintay ako. Uy! Paintay ako. It's a gun, guys. Gun game.
Wait, I got this.
It's a gun.
Wait. I said it's different aura. Something strong. The mountains. Maybe the monkeys have better aura than these two. Oh my god, help. Help. Hi, bro. Whoa. Bro,
Josh!
bro. Bro, you. Sounds like a big bash.
No.
Wait, siya.
Why do you look like a monkey but not as smart as a monkey?
The fuck does that mean? Good ass?
God is good.
What does that mean? God ass?
I don't fucking know, man.
Oh, wait. There's
Or something in
something in between. God with us, bro.
Makes sense.
That's true. God is with us every
I'll put it
time.
backwards.
Us with God, bro.
Yeah. I'll put it inwards.
With us, God, bro.
Bro, imagine God, us with. Nothing can beat us with God.
Why you want to stop that?
No, it's all in your belly.
Josh, that's why you don't need to jog. You'll lose all of it.
I mean, there's nothing, bro. If you wanna lose your ass, let's just let it come.
That's okay.
But that's gonna make it large. Yeah, I
On
guess
the
so, why not?
kitchen, on the kitchen counter, on top of the freezer. No con.
Let's go, have fun. By the time we get there, it's gonna start rain.
Hindi makakaligo tayo.
Oh, Sammy!
Where does Nami, bro?
Double ganger. It's a double ganger.
Come on, let's make fucking come.
Josh, Josh,
Oh, that's like a...
Many
Rainbow
nonsense
Keeper.
later.
no, bro, that's the bronze getter.
No.
Josh, if you're American resident or civilian,
What?
Immediately shut up.
no. Listen. If you're an American civilian,
Okay.
who would you vote?
Myself?
Biden or Trump?
Obama.
I swear.
Comes with his skin.
Ay, wait lang. Baka madanos ako. So,
Okay,
habang
that's
naglalakad
fine.
tayo, ilalagay ko yung ano din. Yung description of our.
Wait, no, let's ask. Anong oras ka natulog?
9.
10:40 something.
Go, Josh.
9.
9 what?
9.
Ay, ikaw!
No?
Oh, you have a fucking
let's go.
sleep? Straight 9.
Yeah.
Josh,
8 to 10.
You have a fucking timer like in your brain system. There's like something.
Like ano, pag exactly,
Sabi niyo, sabi niyo.
like just pag exactly pagpatak ng
How
9,
do you know what?
tulog ka na?
Like,
Immediately shuts down.
no, it's like, bro, what the fuck is this man doing? He's cheating on me. I'm gonna get revenge.
No. You ruined any single food that I could spread.
Huh?
The grass.
Oh my god. So they're like licking shit now. They're eating shit. That's why they're full of shit. Oh shit. Oh,
Oh shit, he's driving.
Not in
Bars.
arcade.
What?
What you guys talking about? Is this brain rot? Is this brain rot?
A person who doesn't have something to lose is dangerous, bro.
Why, bro? Why?
Because they will do everything. Because they don't have something to lose.
Facts, bro.
Josh is dangerous.
I gotta say that. I don't think Josh is dangerous. He's more of a physical threat. No, he's not a Sigma, bro.
Give it a signal,
This is
bro.
brain rot.
Bro, you skibbity can't.
What?
You skibbity can't. Josh,
Oh, that's why
Do
your
us a
grades are
favor?
falling fucking.
do us a favor and skibbity don't, okay?
That's why your brain is falling fucking.
Yeah, bro, brain rot's getting to my head.
Yes.
Oh,
There's so much girl in every corner of the world.
oh.
But what is the problem is
Oh shit.
You don't get
the
bitches.
world is round, bro. There's no corner.
Huh? Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Di ba walang corners dito?
I'm gonna kill myself.
The world has no corners.
Yeah.
What?
Minus 50.
Dude, not 50, bro. Make
Bro.
it higher, bro. that's like,
Bro, I thought,
bro, you look like a fucking man.
bro, he's the special needs.
Okay.
Bro, you,
Unhinged.
Okay, tatagol ko na si Joshua, nakuha ko na.
okay? You would be special grade sorcerer, bro.
Bro.
It would be not
jail.
smiling.
Joshua, there's something.
This is
in
a
my-
pedophile.
That's not a good assumption.
So yun guys, dito na kami sa town, sa town proper 1. Kasi, alam ko guys, tatlo to.
Fokusen! Really Christian guy.
Kasi alam ko tatlo to eh. Yan, town 1, town 2, and town 3. Kaya ako na-memorize to is gawa ng naparid kami dito. Di pang nakakilang parid kami dito. Sali ka sa guys ang banda. Yung NHS Drummer Band.
Kaya na, may damit ako nun, hindi ko lang suot kasi basa ako.
Bukumami sushi. Yeah, that's when he was like Bukumami sushi. Maganda siya. Di ba?
So,
Di ba yung sa Kaisuko na may lumalabas na parang shrine, tapos meron yung bunga. Kanya mukha niya nakaginto. Tapos imbes na kinakat tayo, minamag tayo, boy.
I hope I caught that.
Eh di, nakita ko, nakareact ko, gumawa ka ng sushi.
Malevolent mob.
Wala na yung kitchen.
Tapos nung minamag niya na ako, ilip ko yung kitty ko. Pinokus ko siya sa aking kamay. Pilit ko na siya ng black flash! Oxygen!
I mean like, pares, like, the beef stew and the rice, that's called pares.
Oh.
So ano naman kasi pares? Pear. Like, pear of myself.
It's a pear.
Wait, chicken and rice is also Paris, bro.
No. I'm gonna kill myself. Chicken rice.
Wala. Yung tawag doon yung kay Gojo na yung yay!
May ganun ako, kompleto ko eh. Yung pinauna ko nakuha sa first.
Well, it's raining.
Training race na ako na. Actually, expected ko na ito na uulan. Kasi, kagabi, paulan-ulan siya. Nung
Okay, so tayo naligo ko, guys. Ha? Hindi pala. Malayo po pala. Kala ko ano.
Baliw ka, nalagpasan na.
Ano, nagpasan na ba?
Oo, nalagpasan na natin, naliguan natin.
Yun na!
Kung di nyo palagay sa lumitino to, kaya ito yung picture. Ayan yung picture, guys. Tinatawa kayo ni Josh.
Buti nga yung hat. I have a cap.
Di ba, ang alam ko, di ba,
We've seen that before.
di, nakita namin yun. Yun na lang, guys. Ano na, guys.
Okay, man. Went.
I think we should seek
Okay,
shelter.
shelter.
Shelter, guys. Saglit lang ah.
Jump in the pond.
No.
Ano lang kami, guys. Silong lang kami ah. Ingat, guys. Also, update guys, medyo hila na. And hindi nyo alam kung ilang oras kaming puro usap namin is anime, who's the strongest anime in the world, who's the best anime, what's the best anime, who's the best animator.
Para sa akin,
Nag-uusap pa rin sila.
it's Yurichi. Meron siya dito ano?
Ayan na kami guys, ayan ang warning, ayan na siya guys, yung sinakyan namin ban dati.
Hindi yun.
Yan na yun ha.
Yan.
Wala silang ibang bana.
Ang wala ba?
Tao po!
Natutulog pa sa atin.
Tao po!
Sedi. Mahal.
Rise and shine!
Yung ano, yung nagabala rin.
Gising na! Bakit kung wala
You
siya?
look
Kung wala
like
siya?
you have an app.
Dude, ako hindi, ayoko.
As in, pag nahulog na ako, titilig ko na lang mata ko.
Ano, ganun ako. Pagkalaglag ko kanina nakapikit na ako. Dude, this is paradise. The fudge.
Napagalitan na tayo din. Huwag na tayo din pumunta.
Hindi pa.
Oh shit, ayun.
First time ko nandito.
Yo, ang ganda na scenery.
No, wag.
Dude, this is life. Pakinggan nyo lang yung ano, yung
Doon kami dati oh.
wave oh.
Bro, saka
Kailangan ko to guys. Pangarali lang sa paa ko. Papo nga dyan, Joaquin. Papo ko.
yeah bro, just film it.
You could probably put the tripod.
You just find another fucking rock.
Magugula tayo.
Yun guys. Tinakalang tricycle. Nagban na lang kami.
Just being a child.
Salamat sa klase ko guys. Salamat kay Sedi. Salamat din sa taong
Gagi ka sa atin yung puwet kadiri talaga na.
I like it.
yan na. So,
I like it.
sige guys. Second outro natin to. Sige, no nga pala sila second place.
Uy.
Sorte talaga. Roblox na nga lang.
Ano yan, laro mo?
JJ, baka man load.
Ah, that's yung gas ba?
Now my baby's dancing. She's dancing with another man.
Okay, I don't know.
Oh wait, no, let's skip to the end.
Of the ride, my ears are seeing my selfish ways. Sometimes no one like you to walk out my life.
Why you keep looking at me?
Now I never got a clean up the mess I made. And it haunts me every time I close my eyes. It all just sounds like ooh. Too dumb to realize that I should have bought you flowers.
Why tumingin gago?
Held your hands, should've gave you all my hours when I had the chance. Take you to everybody, cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man.
Billy,
Oh, it hurts, I'll be the worst, say that I was wrong.
daming tumitingin, promise.
Much too late to try and apologize for my mistake, but I just want you to know I hope he buys you flowers. I hope he holds your hand. Should've given you all the hours when I had the chance. Take you to every party.
What the fuck? Where the hell? Tama man.
Now my baby's dancing.
Mali pala yun.
Dancing with another man. Take you to every party was all you wanted to do was dance.
Yun yung nagtigan. Take you to every party.
And I remember how much you loved to dance. Do everything I should have done when I was your man.
Kasi,
Do everything I should have done.
nasa perspective naman isang lalaki.
I was your man.